How to change time on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the time on Android, simply launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application on your device, all you have to do is just scroll down and search for additional settings over here. Now tap on it, and as you tap on additional settings, here you can see the option of date and time under system settings category. So tap on date and time, and as you do that, here you can select the option of set time automatically or set time zone automatically. You can select your time format over here as well. So I'm just gonna tap on set the time on a manual way. You can tap on it and you can just select the time over here. Tap on OK and change your time according to your wish. So that's it. That's how you change the time on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.